This is part 5 of the AI plus FreeCAD series. By now, we've seen AI talk to FreeCAD, but in this final part, we turn that into a real production-style system. The planner understands the request, an executor controls FreeCAD through MCP, validation checks the output, one repair attempt is allowed if needed, and then the result can be sliced for 3D printing. The workflow starts with a user request, long graph manages the state, the planner creates a structured plan, the executor uses FreeCAD MCP, the validator checks whether the STL really exists and looks sane. At this point, we are no longer just prompting an AI to make shapes. We have a real system. Long graph orchestrates the workflow. FreeCAD MCP gives the AI tool access. Validation keeps it grounded. And slicing turns the result into something usable. Inside the community, you get the full repository, architecture, scripts, and the complete production workflow. The future of engineering won't replace CAD tools. It will automate them. I'll see you in the next.